So creating a distribution list in Outlook is pretty easy process, and here's how to do it. First of all, from your Outlook, just click on this people icon, and now here we have to create a new group for distribution. So just click on this little arrow icon next to new contact, and here click on contact group, or you can press Ctrl Shift L to open this window. Okay, just here in this group name box, just type here your group name. And now to add members to this group, click on add members, and I'm selecting from Outlook contacts, and here you will find all of your Outlook contacts. Now select those contacts you want to add to the distribution list, and just click on members. Once you select it, just click on OK, and all of your members will be added to this group or distribution list. After that, just click on save and close, and that's it. Here, as you can see, the distribution group created. Now just open this group, and under this group you will find all of your distribution list.